Hi, I'm going to demonstrate the redesign of the EAR834. What I've done is change the board layout a little bit, compressed it so it will fit into a smaller case. This is version 1 of the prototype. I have version 2 coming up, which will be even more compact and have a better power regulation with capacitance multiplication in the regulator, which will reduce the necessity for a choke. Actually, this one doesn't have a choke either, and yet it's dead silent. The volume is up very high right now. I'm going to drop the needle, and this is the item here. That's what it looks like. Going into a preamp that I designed as well, and this is a very powerful system. And here's the board that I designed. And it's designed to have the tube stick up. That's why I have the extra shield around it. That does make a little bit of a difference. And the hum. Here it goes. Let me drop the needle. As you can see, it's very loud. I'm talking right into the phone. So, if there were a hum, you would have heard it. It's quiet. It rivals even a solid state preamp. So those who say that tubes are noisy haven't experienced this. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be glad to offer the design to anyone who wants it. And you can order the boards from wherever you like. I don't feel like I should charge anything for it because I'm copying someone else's schematic, although I did make some modifications.